Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily install and change app icons theme on iPhone 16e. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to the Shortcuts app. If it's not installed by default, you need to install it from the App Store. And now what you guys need to do is install the Shortcuts app. As I said, now open it and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Now click on Open App and here select the app that you want to open. Now, as you guys can see, here we click Done and now we hold it, and here we go to the details and now we click Add to Home Screen. Here we can name it like music. And here we click on this little icon on the left and click on choose photo, take photo, or choose file depending on our preference. Now let the picture download from iCloud. Now click on choose and click on add. As you guys can see now, here is our music and it works. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.